Well, boys, you want to see some of the antennas that I use here. Well, this top one is a Tram 1487 VHF antenna, and down below I use a lot of dipoles, mostly dipoles. This top one here is for 40 meters. The other dipole here is for 20 meters. And I got a long wire antenna connected to here, and that's about 75-foot long wire for shortwave listening. It's just on an aluminum pole, and I can raise it and lower it with a rope. But that's what I use. And I got another dipole right here, cut for 8 megahertz. Also using this one for shortwave listening as well. And this is the other end. That's the 2-meter VHF mobile Kenwood Heathkit VHF SWR meter. The AOR 8600 DX394. The Uniden Bearcat BCT8 Realistic 2000 Pro 2006. The antenna tuner that I built with antenna selector built in as well. Select between antenna 1, antenna 2, or I can actually have 2 of the antennas at the same time. And this tuner here is being used with my R5000. And I got the MFJ 941D, which is in use with the 440. But that's my current setup here in the shack at the moment. And the antenna's outside, so. So it works for me. And I'm just listening to FT8 for a good part of the morning, just to see what's around. And the band is quite full. I just got her in SWL mode. And I got her hooked up to the R5000. Just plugs into the record out in front of the R5000. Anyways, that's my little setup here at the house.